Over and over again, one of the men accused of murdering the London teenager Stephen Lawrence insisted to an Old Bailey jury, "I am innocent." Asked about the murder of Stephen Lawrence, David Norris said he could not remember where he was, but he knew he didn't kill him. Norris's mother also gave evidence and was accused of belatedly giving him a false alibi. Juliet Bremner was in court.
This is the first time that 35-year-old David Norris has spoken in court about what he was doing on the night Stephen Lawrence died. He passed just inches away from Stephen's father to take his place in the witness box, where he immediately denied having anything to do with the murder, being at the scene or being with Gary Dobson. But he couldn't deny that he and friends had spent an evening at this flat talking about skinning black people alive. He watched as the police surveillance video was replayed in court and admitted he was embarrassed. "I'm no angel. I've never been an angel, but I'm not a murderer," he said. Although he claimed he couldn't remember, the prosecution suggested he was in the area that night. Mark Ellison put to him, "I suggest to you there's every possibility you were in Eltham that night." David Norris replied, "No, there was a murder that night. I'm an innocent man. I wasn't in Eltham that night." The cross-examination ended with Mr. Ellison alleging, "The truth is you saw these two young men, you attacked them and you killed Stephen Lawrence." David Norris replied, "Certainly not. I didn't kill that man. I played no part in his death whatsoever." The only explanation David Norris had for his obscene and racist behaviour was that he was an angry man. Angry, he said, with black people and white people, but particularly angry with the police. He said he despised them. "I don't trust them," he told the jury. "They lock up innocent people." He had no explanation about how fibres from Stephen's clothes were found on jeans and a sweatshirt taken from his home, items he claimed belonged to his brother, not him. In the past, his mother remained silent, but now she claims David would have been at home because it was family routine, an explanation the Lawrences have spent 18 years waiting to hear. Juliet Bremner, ITV News, the Old Bailey.